and we back. And we back, and we back, and we back, and we back, and we back. And we back, and we back. Hey.
We're back.
Hi, guys.
Hey, guys. We are back with our second series of Ibibio lessons. We want to be consistent so that we really help you guys and help me learn the language, all right? So this second series, tell me what we're doing a little differently.
In this second series, this is lesson 1. We basically are trying to get you guys to be very comfortable. If you ever go to Nigeria and go to Akwa Ibom, you have the basic knowledge of the language so you can survive.
What are some of the topics we're going to cover this series?
In this series, we're going to be covering cooking, lifestyle, education, and more.
Yes. We gonna be fluent 2019.
I know, it's
Fluent.
gonna happen.
All right. So this is, like she said, lesson 1 of our series 2. So of course we had to start with food because that's near and dear to my heart. At least I love to eat. And who doesn't love to eat? You have to eat to survive. So if you ever find yourself in Ibibio land, I hope you know how to get you some food. So the first phrase is what?
And so good, Tim.
Hey! We are starting hard. Say that again.
And so good, Tim. What are you cooking?
And so good, Tim.
And so good, Tim.
And so good, Tim.
And so good, Tim.
All right. So if you guys remember from series 1, and so means what? Mm-hmm. So I'm guessing Tim means cook.
And Tim cook. And so good, Tim.
And so good, Tim.
Cook.
Okay. What are you?
What
cooking?
are you cooking?
Ooh, that's a good one. What are you cooking?
Whatever you're cooking, you just say. That's you're making soup. Mm-hmm. Soup for fufu.
So say other things. I'm cooking chicken. I'm cooking rice.
If you're frying chicken,
Oh, so ntem is I'm cooking.
Ntem is cooking.
But then what did you say for soup?
Mbok. Ntem rice.
Ntem rice.
Ntem rice, but we say ntem edesi.
Orosi.
Yeah, orosi, that's the real one.
I'm teaching you.
Orosi is the real,
Village.
Yeah, the real
proper textbook.
Edesi is epic.
So now you're saying, okay, ntem is I'm cooking. What did you say was frying?
Mfrang dodo.
I'm frying.
Mfrang dodo.
What is mbok?
Mbok. I'm cooking.
Mbok. So ntem and mbok.
Ntem. You can say ntem. Mbok.
So what is that not the same as please? When you say please, mbok.
Mbok is different. Yeah, mbok.
Oh, there we go. There we go. Look, let me buckle up because here we go with that nonsense. I'm just playing. Okay. Okay. So I think that's enough for that. We've got what are you cooking and your response. You can be cooking as in ntem urosi.
Ntem
urosi. You can be frying, which is
mfrang unen.
Unen. And you could be cooking soup, which is
Mbafere.
All right. Well, those are the 3 things you really need to worry about eating anyways.
So,
yeah, chicken, soup, and rice. Go feast.
Hey, this ain't no intro, it's the entree.